Good morning to all of you. I am Srimati Seema Gupta, Department of Physics at Government Dr. W. W. Patankar Girls PG College, Durg. Today I am present video lecture for MSc second semester physics student paper first quantum mechanics unit number 5. Topic is Zeeman effect and Stark effect. Contains Introduction, Perturbation Theory, Zeeman Effect, Normal and Anomalous Zeeman Effect, Stark Effect, Weak and Strong Field Stark Effect, Applications. First of all, introduction. The Schrodinger equation is generally not exactly solvable, and we therefore have to rely upon approximate methods to deal with more realistic situations. Such methods include perturbation theory, the variational method, and the WKB approximation. The method of perturbation theory is that we deform slightly perturbed a known Hamiltonian H0 by a new Hamiltonian H1, some potential responsible for an interaction of the system, and try to solve the Schrodinger equation approximately, since in general we will be unable to solve it exactly. Here H is equal to H0 plus lambda H1, where H0 is a unperturbed Hamiltonian and H1 is a perturbed Hamiltonian. This equation is used in Zeeman effect and also Stark effect to find the correction energy. Magnetic dipole moment. Its angular momentum comes from two types of rotation, spin and orbital motion. From classical electrodynamics, a rotating electrically charged body creates a magnetic dipole with magnetic poles of equal magnitude but opposite. The electron magnetic dipole moment is the magnetic moment of an electron caused by its intrinsic properties of spin and electric charge. Here shows the electron around the nucleus moving. Here E is an electron and mu is a magnetic dipole moment and L is a orbital angular momentum. If an atom is placed into an external magnetic field B that points along the z-axis, then the B will create a torque on the magnetic dipole moment of the electron and will orient it along the z-axis. Here mu z is equal to mu B into ml, where mu B is Bohr magneton and ml is magnetic quantum number. What is Zeeman effect? The Zeeman effect named after the Dutch physicist Peter Zeeman. It was first observed in 1896 by the Dutch physicist Peter Zeeman as a broadening of the yellow D lines of sodium in a flame held between strong magnetic poles. Later, the broadening was found to be a distinct splitting of spectral lines into as many as 15 components. The effect of splitting of a spectral line into several components in the presence of static magnetic field. Zeeman spectral splitting. The pattern and amount of splitting are a signature that a magnetic field is present and of its strength. This splitting is attributed to the interaction between the magnetic field and the magnetic dipole moment associated with the orbital angular momentum. In the absence of the magnetic field, the hydrogen energies depend only upon the principal quantum number n and the emission occur at a single wavelength. The splitting is associated with the orbital angular momentum quantum number L of the atomic level. This quantum number can table non-negative integer values. The number of split levels in the magnetic field is 2L plus 1. Here shows the energy levels. As for a level with L is equal to 0, P for L is equal to 1, D for L is equal to 2, and 2p means a level that has N is equal to 2 and L is equal to 1. Here shows the an electron transition 1 state to 2p state. हियर जब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अप्लाई नहीं किया जाता सिंपल ट्रांजिशन 1:2p होता है, लेकिन जब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अप्लाई किया जाता है तो यहाँ पे आपका जो 2p स्टेट है वो स्प्लिट हो गई है थ्री एनर्जी लेवल्स में. टाइप्स ऑफ जीमैन इफेक्ट, नॉर्मल जीमैन इफेक्ट and anomalous Zeeman effect. Difference between normal and anomalous Zeeman effect. What is normal Zeeman effect? The splitting of a spectral line of an atom into 3 lines in a magnetic field is called normal Zeeman effect. Anomalous Zeeman effect, the splitting of a spectral line of an atom into 4 or more lines in a magnetic field is called anomalous Zeeman effect. This is explained by the basis of classical physics, and this is understood by the basis of quantum mechanics. Magnetic moment is due to orbital angular momentum. Magnetic moment is due to both orbital and non-zero spin angular momentum. Here, calcium, copper, zinc and cadmium are some elements that shows this effect, and sodium and chromium are 2 elements that shows this effect. Find structure of normal and anomalous Zeeman effect. Normal Zeeman effect, this type of splitting is observed with hydrogen and the zinc singlet. This type of splitting is observed for spin 0 state since the spin does not contribute to the angular momentum. Anomalous Zeeman effect, this type of splitting is observed with sodium triplet and the zinc sharp triplet. When electron spin is included, there is a greater variety of splitting pattern. Here shows the zinc singlet fine structure and sodium doublet fine structure. Magnetic field is off, there are 2 fine structure, and the magnetic field is on is splitted. And similarly, sodium doublet field is off, normal fine structure, and field is on splitted. Applications of Zeeman effect. To measure the magnetic field, example that of the sunspot and other stars, or in laboratory plasmas. In nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, electron spin resonance spectroscopy, magnetic resonance imaging is also called MRI, and Mosbaugh spectroscopy. It may also be utilized to improve accuracy in atomic absorption spectroscopy. A theory about the magnetic sense, the Bird assumed that a protein in the retina is changed due to the Zeeman effect. Measurement of pulse magnetic field. The Zeeman effect in molecular lines, the asymmetries observed in Stokes profiles from sunspot, and the interpretation of spectropolarimetric observations in the infrared. To use the Zeeman effect for increasing the selectivity of laser isotope separations. Zeeman effect is used to produce magnetograms showing the variation of magnetic field on the sun. Stark effect. What is Stark effect? In 1913, Stark studied the effect of electric field on spectral lines and was called Stark effect. And other definition, the splitting and shifting of spectral lines of atoms and molecules due to presence of an external electric field is called Stark effect. The Stark effect can be observed both for emission and absorption lines. The Stark effect is responsible for the pressure broadening, is also called Stark broadening, of spectral lines by charged particles. When the splits and shifted lines appear in absorption, the effect is called the inverse Stark effect. The Stark effect is the electric analog of Zeeman effect, where a spectral line is split into several components due to presence of a magnetic field. The Stark effect can be explained with fully quantum mechanical approaches but it has also been a fertile testing ground for semi-classical method. Types of Stark effect. First order Stark effect is also called weak field Stark effect. Second order Stark effect, strong field Stark effect. The first order effect is linear in the applied electric field, while the second order effect is quadratic in the field. Here shows the electron transition for the hydrogen atom. हमको मालूम है कि हाइड्रोजन का जब स्पेक्ट्रम देखा जाता है तो उसमें हमें 4 सीरीज मिलती है. लाइमन सीरीज, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन का ट्रांजिशन हायर ऑर्डर से n=1 फर्स्ट स्टेट में होता है तो हमको लाइमन सीरीज मिलती है. एंड बामर सीरीज जब इलेक्ट्रॉन का ट्रांजिशन हायर स्टेट से n= सेकेंड स्टेट में होता है तो हमें बामर सीरीज मिलती है. पार्शियन सीरीज, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन का ट्रांजिशन हायर स्टेट से n= थर्ड स्टेट में होता है तो हमें पार्शियन सीरीज मिलती है. और जब इलेक्ट्रॉन का ट्रांजिशन हायर स्टेट से n= फोर्थ स्टेट में होता है तो हमें ब्रैकेट सीरीज मिलती है. स्टार्क ने जब अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था तो उन्होंने बामर सीरीज में ही किया था. जब बामर सीरीज को हम हाई रेजोल्यूशन स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी से देखते हैं तो उसमें 5 हमको और लाइंस दिखती हैं जिसको हम H अल्फा, H बीटा, H गामा एंड सो ऑन. जब स्टार्क ने बामर सीरीज को फील्ड जब उसने अप्लाई नहीं किया तो वो सिंपल 5 लाइंस में दिखी, लेकिन जब उसने वीक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लगाया तो वह अपने एनर्जी लेवल जो थी वो स्प्लिट हो गई. हियर शोज दिस डायग्राम. एंड एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ स्टार्क इफेक्ट. स्टार्क इफेक्ट modulation is used to allow synchronous detection of the molecular signals. The Stark effect on optically pumped molecular laser, the resulting shift of the exciton optical absorption lines can be used to make optical beam modulators and self-electro-optics effect an optical switching device. Thank you.